So welcome to a new flow here on my channel. Today I got a full mix for you. So we got some sound. I have a beautiful bowl here for you. We got movement, we got stretching, and a nice relaxation at the end. So I'm very much looking forward to this time with you on the mat. All you need is a block maybe, and yeah, if you have that handy, we can start right away. So you can come into a comfortable seat. Bring your hands to your knees. Elevate your spine and make it comfy. Let your crown of the head grow to the ceiling or to the sky. Take an inhalation through your nose. Exhale through your mouth and close your eyes. And let's use the sound of this wonderful bowl to arrive in a mental state of clarity and presence. And once the sound fades, slowly arrive in your body and in this practice. Taking a moment to notice how you feel, how you're doing today. And with your inhalation, bring your arms up to the ceiling, interlace your fingers and stretch your palms to the ceiling. Take some few deep breaths. Inhale here. Exhale, bend to the right side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to the left side. Inhale to center and exhale. Bring your hands together behind your back. Open your shoulders, lift your gaze. Take a few deep breaths here. And then let go of your hands. Rest them on your knees and start to circle around your hips. And try to draw the circles bigger and bigger. Let the whole movement come organically. And then switch the directions. Moving your spine. massaging your organs and your belly. And then let the circles become smaller again until you land in the middle on your sit bones again. And then you can open up your eyes and we will meet in all fours. Make sure to have the block at the front of your mat. That's always the best position for that. And then inhale, bring your right arm up. Exhale, thread it underneath your left arm. Hover above the ground. Inhale, come up. Exhale, thread the needle. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, this time lay flat on the ground, and either you can bring your left arm to the front or keep it where it was. And next option is to stretch out your left leg if you want. Try to feel what feels right for you today. Which option is for you? And then bring your left knee back on the ground. Push your left hand into the ground. Come back up. Bring your right arm up. Exhale, right hand back to the ground. Inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, thread the needle, hover above the ground. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, one last time up. And exhale, this time lay flat on the ground. Maybe you want to bring your right arm to the front. Maybe you want to stretch out your right leg. Three deep breaths in this position. And then bring your right knee back to the ground. Push into your right hand. Open up one last time. And then bring your left hand to the ground. Flip your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk on the spot. Pushing your heels alternatingly to the ground. Keeping your spine straight. Your fingers spread apart, your feet hip width apart. A little tiny bend in your knees to keep your spine straight. And then inhale, roll forward into your plank. Exhale, knees, chest, shoulders to the ground. Inhale, up, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. One more time like that. Inhale, roll forward like a wave. Exhale, knee, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And this time, walk to the front with your feet in tiny steps to land into your forward fold. Shift the weight to your toes. Maybe you want to grab opposite elbow, swing a little bit from left to right. Wiggle out your head, shaking it out, letting go of all the tension that's left. Then bring your hands to the ground. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, roll up, vertebra by vertebra. Neck and head come last to come back into standing. Inhale, bring your arms up over the side. Exhale, sink down low, chair pose, Utkatasana. You can bring your hands in front of your heart center, or you can lift them up. Stay here in this very intense posture. And then come onto your tiptoes. Wonderful. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step or jump back into your plank. Stay here for 2 breaths, activating your core muscles. And this time, find your way to the ground, either knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step it through. Inhale, come up into warrior 2. Your left foot is parallel to the short side of your mat. Stay here for a moment. And then bring your hands together behind your back and bow forward into humble warrior. Your arms shooting up. And then let go of your arms and bring your right hand to the ground, lifting your left hand. And then activate your left side of your body, pulling your way up into warrior 2 again. Straighten your right leg, come forward with your right hand, bow down for Trikonasana. If you want, you can use the block here. It always comes handy. Inhale, come up, lift the block, and then we will come into goddess pose. So you will have the block in between your hands. Your toes are opened into a V shape. You keep your hands or your legs straight. And then exhale, sit down low into your goddess pose. Then really push into the block here so that we are on the same time doing something for our upper body. Keep the strength. Few deep breaths. Lift your right heel, lower it down. Lift your left heel, lower it down. Right side again, low again. Left side, and low. Straighten your legs, fold over into your wide stance. Keep your feet here parallel to the short sides of the mat. Maybe you want to grab the ankles with your hands, pushing yourself further to the ground, maybe resting your head on the block. And then bring your hands underneath your shoulders again. Come into a halfway upright position. Planting your left hand on the ground. Bringing your right hand up. Exhale, right hand comes down. Inhale, left hand goes up. Left hand goes down. Then bring your hands to your hips and lift yourself up again. Open your left foot to the front. The right foot stays parallel to the short side. Bring your arms parallel to the ground and then windmill your hands down into Trikonasana. Also here you can always use the block. We will stay in the postures for some time to have the full benefit. Activate your right side body. Push your way up into Warrior Two. And in this Warrior Two, you windmill your left hand down. And here you can also use the block. And gaze up. Your left leg is now bent. So we are working on our legs. And then come back up again. Bring your hands together at your back. Open your chest and bow down. Humble warrior. 2 deep breaths. Come up again. Warrior Two. Windmill your hands down. Step back into downward facing dog. You can put the block aside so that you have enough space on your mat. And then roll forward into a plank position. Exhale, chaturanga or knees, chest, chin. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Wonderful. Inhale, step or jump to the front of the mat. Come into your forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, lower it down. Inhale, come up and bring your right knee up at the same time. Find your balance here. And maybe you want to move your feet in one direction, circle around and move in the other direction. And then send back the right leg for Warrior Three. You can bring your hands in front of your heart center or bring them alongside your body. Or if you want more, you can also bring them to the front. Stay aware of your back foot so that your toes are shooting towards you and your heel is pushing away from you. And then lift up. Bring your knee up again and place your right ankle on your left knee. Bend your left knee and sit down low. Either hands in front of your heart or on your leg. Find and keep your drishti, your focus point. And when we let go, we will meet in chair pose in Utkatasana. So bring your hands in front of your heart center. Slowly let go of your right foot. Sit down low in your chair pose. And when we come up, you will automatically swap the weight to your right foot and bring the left foot up. Rotate your ankle a bit, circle your foot in one direction and the other. And once you've found a good stand, shoot your left leg to the back. Whoops. Warrior Three. Your heel is shooting away from you. Your toes are pointing towards you. Inhale, come back up. Bring the knee up and place your left ankle on your right knee and sit down low. Wonderful. And from here we will come back to Utkatasana again. So let go of your left foot, sit down low into Utkatasana. Two deep breaths in your chair. Feel the strength of your legs. And then exhale, fold forwards. Open up your feet mat width apart in a V shape so that your toes are slightly pointing outwards, and sink your hip down low into Malasana squat. You can also move a little bit here in this posture from one side to the other, moving over your ankles, finding some flexibility. And then you can also find a still place to be. And then you can place your fingers behind your back, sit onto the mat, bring your feet in front of you, and let your knees move up and down a little bit. And then you can fold over your feet into your butterfly pose. Let your head sink heavy to the ground. And slowly come up. Bring your knees together. Now from here we will activate our core a little bit. You can put your hands underneath your knees, roll your shoulders back so that you're really getting into a nice and upright position with your spine, and then drop your weight to your butt, lift your legs, and then you can let go of your hands, and then your thumbs point towards the ceiling, maintaining the strength in your core. And then together we will lower down in slow motion to the ground. On 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down lying on your back. And you can bring your right knee to your chest. Pull it a bit closer with your hands. And then dropping it to the left side for a twist. You can close your eyes. Inhale, come back to center. Bring your left knee in. Hug both knees close to your chest, and then wiggle over your lower back, giving yourself a little massage. And then you can stretch out the right leg and push your left knee a bit closer to your chest. And then drop it to the right side. Bring your left arm to the left side. Or a twist. Inhale, come back to the center. Hug both knees in. Grab your feet. Come into happy baby. Opening up your hips. And if you want, you can also come into shoulder stand here. So you would basically swing your legs up and support your back with your hands. A wonderful posture to close the class. And then slowly, slowly, slowly lower down to the ground. And come into your Shavasana. Allow your body to become still. And then I'm inviting you to let the sound of the singing bowl wash over you through that short relaxation. Very slowly start to come back into your body, moving your toes, feet, your fingers and your arms, making the movement bigger and bigger, maybe stretching out long. And rolling over to one side and coming up into a seated position of your choice. Bring your hands together in front of your heart center in gratitude for your body, in gratitude that you took the time for yourself. And in gratitude for all the people around you, making your life so special and meaningful. Namaste. Thank you very much for being here with me on the mat today. I hope you had a good time. I hope you appreciated and liked this flow. It was a colorful mix of everything that yoga has to offer. So I hope to see you soon again on my channel. Let me know if you have any wishes. You can drop them in the comments. I'm happy to read all of your feedback. And then hopefully see you soon again.